Right. Welcome to the random item hunt. For items you can find in your local environment. Get a pen and paper out and jot down what we find. Hey, look, a leaf. Oh, graffiti! There must be jobs nearby. Oh my God! A tunnel! An underground tunnel! Hey guys, come over here! Listen to the shit! We found shit! Shit!
Let's spit in this shit.
Ew. Okay, let's find something new. That way! Come on, guys. Follow. We're going that way. Come on. Yeah. Oh. Wow. Yeah. You should pose it every now and then. Pose it now. Pose it. Come on, keep up. We're gonna try and lift the branch so the people can get past on the path. Yeah. Wow, man. Let's lift this. Oh, hey, look.
A tramp has been nearby with alcohol.
We found a WKD bottle. People drink this.
I got it on my hand.
I hope no one pissed on that. I might get germs. Wash your hand with clear seal. Okay, let's lift this big branch. Come on, guys, help. Yeah, come on. Yeah. I'm in so much pain right now. You gotta help. Oh shit. Oh God. That was not supposed to happen. Anyway, follow. Come on. Look, we're going to the trolley. Let's go to the trolley. Trolley. Open it.
No. Oh, wait, so. Guys, we just found a squirrel.
What an occasional event to happen on a journey to find a trolley.
Where is it?
Hey guys, all get your nuts out. We're gonna hunt it. Hey look, over here. Guys, take a look over there. Oh, that.
Oh, how cute is that?
My God, I would.
Guys, I'm gonna try and catch it right now. Come here, little squirrel man. I love you. Come here. Oh no, you're up there. Free. We didn't catch the squirrel.
Nuh-uh. But we're almost at the trolley. Come on.
Oh, dude.
Oh my God.
It's a sacred totem pole.
Let's go do a Hindu dance. Yeah. Dude, come closer, guys. There's actual writing on this thing.
There's a museum?
What does that say?
What the fuck?
What's a museum? And why is it in the shape of a penis?
Let's travel 14 miles to Hartford.
Whoa! Say, we are off the trolley.
Let's go ice skating.
Oh my God! You can
Yeah,
actually walk
Lord.
to Chelmsford. Whoa!
Whoa, man.
Okay, guys, we're at the trolley now. Let's go.
Ah, cock your little crater.
Whoa! Whoa! It looks like it's from the range. That's a shop.
Big one. Well, guys, time to say farewell to our beloved trolley.
See you later, man! Well, at least it looks better in them surroundings. Okay, next on the nature trail. Look what we found. Come here. Quick. Guys, get a look at that. This is why kids don't do work in school. They write on walls.
There's a camera.
There's a camera. Let's say hello to the camera with our camera. Whoa! Hello! Oh my God! That place looks like a prison.
What is this place?
Whoa! Okay, come on. We're going that way. Quick!
Oh, shit, that's 3 squirrels, man.
We found the squirrel for earlier, and he brought his brothers and sisters. Shit! Let's go. There! There, guys, there! Get a look!
And another one. Oh my God.
Whoa, it must be mating season!
There! Get him! Get him! Come here!
You can do it!
Oh my God, not again. Oh.
Bro! Got away!
Fun.
Well, we didn't fight Chief Quacks the wild was here. Look, translate.
Well, we didn't catch a wild squirrel. So
That's the end of our nature show today. I hope you enjoyed it. There might be one next week. Or not. But still, see you later, guys.
No animals are harmed in the making of this video.